Hello you guys, welcome back to a brand new video from me. So today we are going to be looking at this palette and I'm really excited about this one. I saw the whole Lion King collection come out a little while ago and I was just like, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. This is just adorable. So this is the Lion King Jungle Princess collection. So I believe Revolution have got this collection out on their website still. Loads in this collection, like quite a lot. So this palette here is called Jungle Princess and this one retails for £8. So this is a 9-pan palette. So I quite like small palettes when it comes to things like this. I feel like they're really easy. I feel like they're really easy to store and collect and they're just nice and easy to us put away. It's not a chunky palette because sometimes I feel like big palettes aren't for me. I do like a small palette. So this is what the packaging looks like. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. I just love Lion King. I think it's the cutest film ever. So I do have my daughter now and I can't wait for her to watch Lion King. I think she's going to love it. So this is what the palette looks like. Once you open it up, it's very pretty. I'm feeling the purple and the green and the orange, just all of the colours really, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch the mattes on one hand and then the shimmers on the other. Okay, so here are the mattes. So the green is called Elephant Graveyard, the yellow is Lioness, the purple is Royal, the orange is Sarafina, and the whitey yellow is True Love. So they are them colours there. I mean, they look quite nice to me. They do look like they are quite pigmented. Again, quite pastel-y though, like that other palette we reviewed. And then I'll go ahead and swatch these shimmers. Ooh. So here are the shimmers. That blue is popping, but I feel like that green and purple is gorgeous. I mean, they're all pretty, but the blue is called Main Gal, and then we've got the purple Queen. Green is Best Friend. I really like that one. And then the yellowy colour is called Greeny Yellow Right Hand. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this out on the eyes. I hope this is a good palette. I'm going to go in with the colour Royal, this really nice pastel royal purple here. And I'm just going to basically just pop it on my eye, like kind of stamp it on for now. See how that comes out. It's really, I kind of want to do purple because I'm wearing like this purple jumper, so I thought it would be quite nice. But I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just going for it here. So I'm going to go ahead and just sweep that into the crease a little bit. It's not majorly pigmented, like, ooh, we've got a bit of fallout here, but you know, to be expected I suppose. So I don't think I'm getting much pigment here at all. Okay, so let's just continue with this colour. It's just a very, very, very pale purple, as you can see. But I mean, it's pretty. It's a nice colour. It's just not too pigmented. But you know what? Sometimes I feel like I like colours, I like palettes that aren't too pigmented because I feel like they're not as hard to work with. So sometimes it's nice to have a nice little pale pastel moment. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's very pale, it's very pastel-y. So okay, we need to deepen that up. So I think I'm going to go in with this colour called Sarafina. I mean, I have watched Lion King, but I don't know every character. I know some, but not all of them. So I'm taking the e.l.f. brush from the e.l.f. collection from Revolution. I'm going to go in with the Sarafina colour. So let's see how that one works. That's better. I maybe should have started with that colour actually. Oh well. That's a really nice colour actually. I hope you guys can see it, but it's actually a really nice colour there. I think I don't know, like I don't know what to do here. I kind of want to deepen the outer corner up, but I don't really have like a dark brown or anything. I feel like if they put a dark brown in this palette that would have been bang on, because then you've got like This one you can like deepen up with a brown. They've obviously got the greens going on and stuff, but I don't know, I think I'm just going to do, I wasn't really getting much out of this colour, to be honest. Like I just wasn't. Okay, let's go in with that green. Let's go in with that really dark green. This one is called Elephant Graveyard. So I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna try and like I'm gonna stamp that. Oh wow, that's pretty. That's pretty. I always get scared of doing like dark colours because then it's like you need to blend, you know, and sometimes I feel like I'm not the best at that, but I've definitely learned quite a lot this year about using a lighter colour to blend. So that's what we're going to do, but we're going to have to use a shimmer because I haven't really got a light colour, but this is a pretty colour. And I'm going to use this colour called True Love, this one, and I'm just going to use this to, whoops, that is a lot. I'm going to use this to kind of like blend out that green, just so it's nice and smooth. Okay. Oh, I really like this. I hope you guys can see this on the camera. I feel like you can, but okay, I'm pretty happy with it. Like what I was looking for was just some little bit of a green at the corners, and then I'm gonna go in with like a really nice shimmer. So I kind of want to stick with the greens. I feel like the greens are nice. I would have done purple, so obviously I've got purple on, but I feel like I want to do green. So I kind of like these two colours here. So this green and then this blue is really pretty, but I think I want to do the green because it's just beautiful. So I am literally just going to pop that green on over the top. So let's just see, maybe I should put some of that blue in this part here. Okay, that's pretty. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but I've kind of like done the green and then the blue in the inner corner, and it does look nice, but I definitely need to blend a little bit more around here because it's looking a little patchy. So this, I don't know what formula they do different, but this one called Main Gal, let me show you. This one here called Main Gal is just like a really nice foiled crumbly kind of texture. And then this one that I'm using, this one here, Best Friend, is like, I don't know if you can see, but it's quite a smooth kind of texture. But then that blue is like a bit of a crumbly texture, and I feel like the crumbly one always goes better on the eyes, if that makes sense. So I would love to see more of that kind of formula because that just looks so bomb. Like it's so shimmery. But I am happy with it. I do feel like this eye look has turned out quite nice. I just feel like the green has kind of disappeared a bit, but oh well. So I don't want to do anything under my eyes. I don't really do that. I prefer leaving that. But I feel like I just want to go in with the True Love again and just blend a little bit more. And then I'm going to go in with Serafina, which was that like mustardy orangey brown. And I'm just going to kind of like bring that out a little bit, just so it blends a bit better. Okay, so here is the eye look, you guys. I'm not obsessed with it. Like, I'm definitely not obsessed. I think the palette is gorgeous. The colour stories is so sweet. I love that. But I just feel like the greens didn't really go on my eyes as well as they should. But overall, they do perform nicely. I do love the colour story. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some mascara. Okay, you guys, we are back with the Lion King palette. So my thoughts are, I feel like it looks a lot better with mascara. I feel like the look has kind of come together a little bit more. I added a little lip gloss because I felt like everything was just a little bit too pale. So I used my favourite lip gloss from W7. This is the Melon Kiss. I love this stuff. This is so nice. It is such a nice formula. It is not sticky and it just wears so nicely. So yeah, I added some of that. I am not mad at the look. Like, I feel like the look is really nice. I just feel like the green wouldn't really give me what I wanted. Like, the colour just wasn't there. Let me know what you think of the look. Let me know if you are going to get this palette. I will link it down below for you guys. I do think I'm going to pick up the bigger palette just to try it out and see what other colours we've got in there. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you are new. I would love you guys to join my family, and I'll see you in another video. Bye friends.